A while back we did a deep dive into ND filters, and there's one more thing that I think we all need to be aware of when using them. My name is Timothy Reese, and I've worked in the television, film, and photography world as a director of photography and a photographer for nearly 20 years. Check out my videos as we cover not only the how, but also the why of various technical and creative techniques used in the creation of real images. The hidden enemy of ND filters is infrared pollution. Infrared is outside of the visual spectrum of light that our eyes can see. However, cameras can see it and are affected by it. It's for this reason many cameras come with a built-in IR filter. This is typically effective at removing this contaminated spectrum, however it's not perfect. As you start using stronger densities of ND, say 6 or more stops worth, the ratio of visible light compared to the infrared light changes dramatically, and more infrared light passes through that filter and reaches your sensor. Now, IR contamination can result in your blacks appearing reddish brown or magenta. Dark fabrics suddenly appear maroon in color. Skin tones can also shift slightly off, especially in shadow areas. The only way to fight this is by either adding an additional IR filter to the front of your filters in your matte box, or by using special IRND. That's ND with built-in infrared filtration. Most IRND filters will work no matter which direction you place them in your matte box. However, hot mirror IR filters need to be placed into your matte box the correct way. If your filter has a reflective side, face that out towards your subject and away from the sensor. That way, the filter will work correctly. If you like these videos, please subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment about a future video you might want me to make. This user feedback really helps me see what users are looking for and ensures I can continue to make helpful and educational videos. Until next time, thanks for watching.